Guys, we're at the bowling place. Welcome back to Isha's Honey. I'm looking for Faith. Oh, I see them. I see Faith. Oh, wait. Excuse me, do you guys have extra socks? I'm with the party over there.
Wait, they're $2.50 a pair now.
Okay.
Right here.
I need socks.
Wait, you need socks? Okay, here. Wait, how much is it?
$2.50.
$2.50. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes and then we're gonna go. George, do you have a dollar?
Wait, for what?
Because I need to pay him for my bowling.
Oh, your shoes. Oh, okay.
Tony. I don't even got no shoes on. Wait. I can't untie my shoe fast enough. He's not coming. He's at home.
This guy. What did you drop you off?
No, Miss Helen dropped me off. I fell on my knees. I was walking and I fell right on my knees on the when I came off the step.
I just did it right now.
No, you did it right there? Yeah. I fell literally on my knees like that. I collapsed.
Wait, was it by the door?
Right there, JJ.
I wish I was there. Gosh. This is so much funnier. Did you hear me when I was saying the Tony was funny?
No.
Did you know I was there? Did you know I was there when I tapped you? Or when I was like...
JJ, we got you breadsticks.
You did?
But they're in Miss Helen's car because I didn't know if they were going to let me bring food in here.
Oh my gosh.
And the
Oh,
guy
Miss Helen dropped you off, huh?
Yes.
And the what?
And the guy, I said, can I get more breadsticks? The guy goes, you want breadsticks right now? I was like, yes.
When you were leaving?
No. Oh, these do not fit me.
It's because I never been to Olive.
It's too big. Just go pick them up. We can't ask for another size?
Yes, you can. I told her that it was a smaller because these shoe sizes are different.
Can you go get me another size,
Because
JD?
you're my size, I think. Well, these ones are...
No, I need a five.
It's a 5.
5.5. Or 5. Give me 5.
5.5.
Just 5?
Solid number.
Okay,
No, he's
5.
going to be like, what in the heck?
Go give me a 5.
She's the one who grabbed it. She's going to be like, what the heck?
Go give me a 5.
Hey, I just asked him for different
Why are you
pairs.
screaming, bro? Chill out.
I'm sorry. I asked him for a different pair of shoes. So like, do you think I'm serious?
My
Are
knees.
those socks comfortable?
Look it. I fell on my knees.
socks comfortable?
I'm waiting for Faith to bring me size 5.
Good morning.
Guys, run away. You're not for a friend.
I'm scared. This one. Did you stole it from the other
No,
way?
because it came right there. But I think they were using over there.
My knee still hurts.
Right?
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
It's JJ. Wait, I'm gonna show JJ's picture.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna wait for it to come.
You got one.
I know.
Oh, but is this 8 pounds?
I know that's my best slide.
My face right there. The Pro Bowler. Just go like this. Do. Yeah. I literally hurt my knee. It hurt.
I'm next. Oh my gosh, I hate rules. I'm gonna just get this.
He's about to kill somebody right now.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna be those people who go up there and get all of them down.
Did you hear what he said?
Oh my.
Just do it.
And it goes to the side. Oh my gosh.
It's because I stole the little kid's ball. That's why.
It went further. Push it. That's not the truth.
Kick it.
I don't. I'm gonna just throw it. If it doesn't go in, I'm gonna be so mad.
It didn't go in. When you lower your pride. You're on Faith's back.
Good, man.
It's not doing nothing.
Just go. Hurry up.
I'm rolling it again.
Oh yeah, I seen it when I came in.
Whatever works, JJ. I don't think that works. Abraham?
Wait, I don't want to do it. You do it. You do it.
Alright, this is your last one. This is your last one. Hey, that was a good job.
You got that.
The next round is literally our last round. Faith's going, and then I'm next. So last footage of me. Okay, it's my turn.
There you go, baby.
Second place. Ah!
You want second place?